Hey everyone, it's Brad here, and today I want to show you something really cool. It's our lathe that's set up with a Edge Technologies bar feeder. Let's check it out. So this machine might not look like much at first glance, but it's one of the key pieces of equipment that saves us time and money while allowing us to run production more efficiently. So you might be wondering how it works, and what it does is it's anywhere from steel to aluminum, but it's round stock like this. That gets loaded into the machine. So it pushes straight through the spindle, like you see. And it comes out the other side, right through the jaws where it'll clamp onto it. See if we can get a little peek real quick. So, as you can see, there's the part right there. It'll finish pushing out to a stop, which at the end of this video, I'm gonna post the whole run of a part being made, so you'll be able to see it there. Still might be wondering, well, what's so cool about that? Well, what's cool about it is there's not somebody that's standing here loading every single part. So with these parts that we make, we run over 100,000 of these a year. So it starts to add up. You don't want somebody standing here loading a part every minute, every 2 minutes. So to have something like this machine that can run it all by itself, it really saves us tons of time and money. So that's the cool feature of it. So if you're still here, you're still interested, we're gonna drop the video of a whole entire part being made. It's under a minute. If you like it, give us a like, give us a follow, share it with somebody. If you guys like the content we're pushing out, you want to see something that we're doing in the shop, go ahead and write it in the comments and we'll try to do it. So as you can see, this is the part getting ready. It's going to push the part out to a stop right here. That's a set distance that we set in the program of the bar feeder programming. From there, we're going to come down and we're going to use a stick tool that's going to face the front of it. Normally we would be running coolant just to show you guys what it's doing. We're not. Now it's going to put a chamfer on the front of it, something nice. And from there we're going to bring down our parting blade. This is just going to part the part off to length, to tolerance. And after that it's all done. So after it gets parted off, the whole entire process starts again. Like I said, this is one of our most basic parts that we machine here in-house, but we just do a lot of them. So this is why this machine is so effective and important to our role here in the shop. So as you can see now, it's going to push the part out to length, and the entire process starts all over again.